Hello YouTube, it's me and I'm back. I'm going on my 5th week of my baby locks. This is my second time locking my hair. The first time I locked my hair I did 9 months and I had coils in my hair. I didn't like it. They were diamond parts and they were too big and I didn't like it, so I went, it's been probably 7 years ago, and I got some videos on my YouTube channel if you want to see them, of my old bad resolution videos. But these I installed myself, my baby locks myself with 2-strand twists. I'm so proud of myself. This is going on 5 weeks. I installed them on January the 1st and today is January the 28th. So it's going on 5 weeks and I haven't retwisted my hair. I've moisturized my hair today with rose water. You can see that. Rose water and purified water. Not putting any more products on my hair after watching so many YouTube videos. I won't put no more other products on my hair. So I'm going to retwist my hair probably next week with oil. Sorry. With oil. But I got a lot of new growth. Again, I have 4C hair and sorry, not 4C, 4B. I think I have 4C like right up here at the top. And then I have a different texture in the back. Let me put the camera down so you can see the back of my hair. Hold on, we're gonna do a little spin around. Famous YouTube spin around. Let's see if I can do it. Closer. Hope I'm close enough. Let's see how you go like that. It's got lots of bounce. You can see some of them. Some of them have already started budding. Oh God. I gotta find a better video room. So let me show you the ones that have started budding. Let's see if we can. There's one back here. I think it's this one. Can you see that? Right up in here. Right up in here. And I'm losing my 2-strand twist at the bottom. Let's get close up. Let's see. Okay. I'm not redoing this video. This is it. So what you see is what you see. If you look close, you can see where my hair is starting to matte. Yes, I got gray hair. I'm not dyeing my hair. Let's see, when you have long hair, see, they're trying to bud up. It's been almost going on 5 weeks this Saturday. It's my new growth. Let's get a little close up here. See how when you have long hair, all this, when I retwist it, it's going to wrap around my locks. All this loose hair. I've been massaging my hair. And I've been running my hands through, because when you have long hair, I don't want my roots to grow together. They're very, very moist. Not moist, but moisturized. Moisturize every day with rose water and a little bit of water. Not a lot. I don't hold the bottle like straight to my hair. But it's coming along great. Got my little babies over here. I'm going to stretch my hair out so you can see how much shrinkage. Oh, look at that one. See that? I'm going to stretch my hair out. Things I do for you. Oh, you can't even stretch it out as much as it was because it's starting to lock. Doesn't stretch. When I started my hair, it was stretched all the way down here. Now it doesn't even stretch that long anymore. But I can do them this way. Oh, anyway, it took me, I think, 4 hours to do my hair because I washed it, the initial and stuff. I washed it, detangled it. Detangling took the longest because I had natural hair. But just want to get some hair video in here. But if you're thinking about starting your locks, watch a lot of YouTube videos. Don't use a lot of products. And again, this is going on my 5th week. I'm going to wash my hair probably February the 1st. I'm going to try to stretch it out to February the 1st. And I'll record my retwist. I'm going to retwist with oil. Yeah, sick of my hair pulling. It's still here. And I had some, this one is getting smaller. I did my parts any kind of way. I started out trying to do the break, and then I just went ahead and just did whatever. But I have to take one of these loose because one of them is too big. I think it's this one. See this one? This one is... Go my way. This one is way too big because the size of your part determines how big your lock is going to be. So I'm going to take this loose and split it. This one right here, make it into 2. So far I have 79 locks. So if I take that one and split it in 2, I'll have 80. I like it this way because when I get ready to do my, let's see, when I get ready to do my ponytails, I'll have some hair to hold that together. When I get ready to do my ponytail, that's why I did it this way. And I always have, remove my glasses, I have these right here, so when I do my ponytail, I can have my hair down long, right off to the sides. Okay, so, yeah, 80 locks might not be a lot, but my head is not that big. I have a little peanut head. So, for me it is, because I'll have a lot in the back where my locks grow in. This way. I'll have a lot hanging down in the back. So I knew what I was doing when I freestyled it. It's going to look so pretty if I have to do like a ponytail. And if I want to do anything to it, it'll still fall pretty. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video and you want to keep watching my lock journey, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.